If you are a product or UX designer right now, you probably noticed that design for AI is no longer a specialty as it was 2 years ago. It's just something that casually lands on your desk, whether you ask for it or not. Maybe you are adding a chatbot to an existing product. Maybe you are trying to figure out how to surface AI recommendations in the product without creeping users out that AI is watching them. Or maybe you are just trying to understand what the engineering team is talking about when they mention agentic AI. I have good news for you because you do not need to figure this out on your own from scratch. Some of the biggest names in tech, such as Google, IBM, Microsoft, SAP, have been quietly publishing resources, frameworks, pattern libraries, and guidelines for designing AI experiences. And it's even better that these resources are free and they are specifically written and prepared for designers like us. I went down the rabbit hole to see what's out there, and I have pulled together the resources that are actually worth your time. Whether you are brand new to AI design or looking to level up your current toolkit, these resources will give you AI design patterns, practical real-world examples, and the vocabulary to have more intelligent conversations with your cross-functional partners. So let's dive in. Resources for digital product design. Carbon Design System, Carbon for AI. Carbon for AI is an extension of the Carbon Design System specifically for identifying AI-generated content and delivering explainability in products. What's unique about this is that they use light as a visual metaphor, brightness, glow, and gradients to distinguish AI-generated or AI-recommended content from standard UI elements. The framework provides styling guidelines, AI-specific tokens, and component patterns to help build user trust by being transparent about when and how AI is involved in an experience. Google Pair Guidebook. The People and AI Research PAIR Team's Guidebook could be used as a foundational resource for building human-centered AI products. This specific chapter focuses on identifying user needs, determining when AI is the right solution, and designing reward functions that optimize for long-term user benefit. It includes worksheets and exercises for problem framing and has been updated for the generative AI era with guidance on handling hallucinations, fact-checking, and appropriate UI for explaining how AI works. Microsoft HAX or HAX Toolkit. The Human AI Experience HAX Toolkit is Microsoft's suite of practical tools for creating responsible human AI experiences. It includes 18 research-validated guidelines organized around 4 interaction phases. Initially, during interaction, when AI is wrong, and over time. The toolkit helps you conceptualize AI system behavior early in the design process with practical resources such as the HAX Workbook for planning and the HAX Playbook for anticipating failure scenarios. Microsoft Design, UX Design for Agents. This is an article. It's only a 10 minutes long read, but I would highly recommend it if you want to learn about design principles for AI agents and multi-agent systems. The principles span 3 categories: space, how agents engage in physical digital worlds; time, how agents use memory and context across past, present, and future; and human-agent interaction, transparency, control, trust. The framework can help you design agents that connect people to knowledge while maintaining appropriate user oversight and privacy. Shape of AI. Shape of AI is a UX design pattern library specifically for AI-powered interfaces curated by Emily Campbell. It catalogs patterns across the entire AI interaction lifecycle, getting started, prompting, output handling, and trust building. This has very quickly become my favorite resource for understanding AI interface conventions. SAP Fiori, Designing Intelligent Systems. SAP's guidelines for AI in enterprise software focus on 2 pillars: AI automation, freeing users from repetitive tasks, and AI augmentation, guiding users to better decisions. The framework put emphasis on finding the sweet spot where AI capabilities overlap with user needs, and it covers UX design patterns for notifications, recommendations, matching, and situation handling. It also includes guidance on proactive versus reactive AI assistance and different automation levels. This SAP guideline addresses how to communicate AI decisions to users to build trust. It covers progressive disclosure of explanations, confidence indicators, and how to present algorithmic reasoning in business contexts where incorrect recommendations can cause real damage. From the guidance, you will learn that explainability isn't just ethical, it's essential for user empowerment in high-stakes enterprise decisions. And lastly, Google Cloud published over 100 architectural blueprints as practical starting points for AI projects covering domains such as retail, healthcare, and finance. Each blueprint shows a design pattern with a corresponding tech stack to solve real challenges, from automating document summarization to preventing fraud. It's a technical complement to their over 1,000 customer use cases, offering UXers concrete examples of how AI is being implemented in products across industries. Now, where to start learning? The landscape of AI design is moving fast, as you probably experienced that, but the fundamentals of good UX, understanding user needs, building trust, designing for failure, and keeping humans in control have not changed. What shifted though is how we apply those principles to systems that are probabilistic, adaptive, and sometimes unpredictable. So these resources that I just shared with you won't give you all the answers that you need, because nobody has those yet, but they will give you a solid foundation and a shared language to work from. So my suggestion is start with whichever resource matches your immediate challenge, whether that's explaining AI decisions to users, designing your first agentic interaction, or just getting your team aligned on what good looks like for AI-powered features. If you came across another resource, please share that in the comment section, and I will see you next time. Bye.